Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the Aston Vantage GTE in this Golf livery. I think this is from 2023, I think. Maybe 2022, no. So a pretty sick car model I've had for a while. I've been wanting to finally open this. Pretty nice Golf livery. I think I bought this at like Loblaws, I think, a while ago. Still, it's pretty sick. Yeah, let's just crack it open, take a look. After all these years, it's been... Yeah, see how crispy it is? It just crunches open. So old this thing is, yeah, it's still, ooh, this was definitely worth buying. Wow. Always loved this casting, always thought it was really nice. Love the very lightish turquoise blue. I don't know, the Golf cars? I have another Golf, you can just put it back there. Just keep looking. I have a lot of other Golf vehicles, like this RS 2000 Escort. What else do I have? It's Golf. I have another Golf livery vehicle, like a Shelby, I think. A few others of Golf liveries. Taking on the shelf. Like, got this Ford GT40. GT40 MK something, I don't remember really too well. This is all Golf. These are Golf livery cars too, but they're just in white. So I wonder if I have any more Golf vehicles. Oh man. Don't think I do. Nothing else. Just looking at the shelf quickly. No, I do not see anything. Yeah, it's all the Golf livery vehicles that I have at the moment. But yeah, I just have all these other Golf vehicles. Got this from the first one we got here, the GT40. Made like a super treasure hunt of this. Still really like this one a lot. Very beautiful. Also got the GT40 MK. What was that in? Yeah, it was like a GT40 MK IV. Love this casting a lot. It's another one of my favorites. Love just how large this casting is. Pretty sick. Got this white Golf version of it, orange. And after we got this Daytona Combat, I think, yeah, Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe. No back or front tampos, but it's fine. And we got this RS 2000. Really sick. There's like a little stubble on the bottom. But yeah. Then after now, we got this Aston Vantage. I love this one a lot. Livery's pretty nice, 99. Little Michelin Man Golf on top. No back headlight tampos. Still, yeah, just got a bunch of Golf models. I really like collecting Golf. I think it's pretty nice. Love the livery. Alright guys, that's all I want to show you. Now guys, I'll see you later. See ya.